ShiftWiz supports many different use cases, and this is just an example. Your use may be different. In this walkthrough, we'll create a Care Manager account, add a client, set up their funded hours, and notify the state case manager, then post a job listing to find a care provider. From the sign-in page, choose Register, then select the Care Manager role. That's for anyone coordinating care and scheduling for themselves or another person. Step 1. Enter the email address for your account and click Send Verification Code. ShiftWiz emails a 6-digit code. Enter it and click Verify Code. Step 3 is your profile. Set and confirm a password, then enter your first and last name. If you go by a different name, set it under I Go By. That's the name your care team will see. You can add a profile photo, choose an image, then zoom and position it and save. Add a phone number. It's visible only to you and the people you work with. Sharing it with another ShiftWiz user simply makes it easy for them to reach you. Choose how you'd like to verify sign-ins, then review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Step 4. Tell ShiftWiz you're managing care for someone else. Indicate that you also provide paid care. As a CDWA individual provider, check that option and enter your IP number. It's used only to identify you to CDWA on connection requests. Then complete your registration. Your account is created, and ShiftWiz opens the Add New Client form. Enter the client's first and last name, and a preferred name if they go by something different. Add a client photo the same way. Choose, crop, and save. Enter the client's address. It's kept confidential and is used only to estimate radius and driving distances between providers and clients. ShiftWiz suggests matches as you type, and if an address can't be validated, you can choose to save it anyway. Step 2 is care funding. If the client's care is Medicaid funded, record their state case manager's name and email. State case managers are only contacted for respite or agency hours adjustments, and only with your approval. For a CDWA client, check CDWA individual providers and enter the client's person ID. ShiftWiz fills in the care coordinator. CDWA is only contacted for workweek extensions and connection requests, again with your approval. Step 3. Set your care relationship with this client. Step 4 sets the default schedule display. Adjust the display hours and save the client. Your new client now appears in your clients list, and a quick tour points out the key areas. Open the client and choose Set up Hours. Pick the starting month, then enter the client's personal care hours and total respite hours. ShiftWiz builds a month-by-month allocation table. Distribute the respite hours across the funding period, evenly or by adjusting each month. When you add the hours, ShiftWiz prepares a notification to the state case manager with the distribution. Review it and send only with your go-ahead. Back on the client's profile, you can review the funded hours summary and settings. Now let's post a job to find a care provider. Open the job listing and describe the care needed. Set the basics: preferred provider gender, age category, and languages spoken. Then the care requirements and focus, such as routine care, overnight relief, and general care at home. Check the general care skills the client needs, like homemaking, laundry, shopping, and medication management, plus personal care needs such as bathing, mobility assistance, and transfers. Set preferences and the home environment, including provider gender and work setting. Then save the job listing. ShiftWiz confirms it's posted. Back on the client's profile, your setup is complete. Finally, open the client from your client's list to reach their schedule, where you'll build and publish their care calendar.